Good morning, guys. So here's the kettle I buy yesterday, or I called it hot pot. So for boiling hot water. So this one I buy for, I know I have this, I have this price. Yeah, here it is. It's I'm not good in focusing. So see, was it like this or was it like this? Like this. So it's 139. The last one we bought was 150, and the last second to the last we bought it like one oh 110 or 120, and then the last three one 100. Now it's where it is, there it is. Oh, much more. Could not see more. So it's 135. I think my hands is shaking, so it's 139. Sorry, it's 139. So it's like 129, but it's 139. See, guys, I'm not really good in focusing. So there you have it. I bought it here and this store. Yeah, this store. Most of the grocery now, they use paper bag, because I think before, it's been a long time, they always say paper bag, the law, but they not following it. But I think now I'm not sure, but maybe they make penalty for it. So this is not a bad about keto hot pot. I called it hot pot. Electric. It's electric. I forgot to say. For 129, it's electric. So I forgot to let you see the last one we have. So hold on a minute.